So I'm gonna put this Tarte Rainforest of the Sea. What is the shade? This is light neutral on my left, and this Born This Way by Too Faced natural beige on my right. So I'll be wearing this for 6 hours, and then we'll see kung ano yung maganda ang kahihinatnan. Okay? My beauty blender and the Born This Way foundation in natural beige. I am just applying it all over my face, and according to the Too Faced website, Born This Way is an oil-free foundation that masterfully diffuses the line between makeup and skin. For coverage so undetectable, you can't see the makeup and you can't see imperfections. All that's left is naturally radiant skin that looks like you were born this way. Ang taray! This retails for $39 US, and in the Philippines, it's usually selling between 2,200 to 2,500 pesos. And I'm now using the Tarte Quickie Blending Sponge in the Rainforest of the Sea in light neutral shade. And according to Tarte's website, this is a lightweight, full coverage, hydrating foundation infused with Tarte's Rainforest of the Sea complex and non-chemical SPF 15 sunscreen. So according to them, it delivers the ultimate hydration boosting coverage with Tarte's 12-hour water foundation. And its concentrated, full coverage fluid formula features 20% water to quench dry skin, as it covers and masks any redness, dark spots, and uneven skin tone, which is what I like about it. And hey guys, I personally love this Quickie Blending Sponge from Tarte. In comparison with this beauty blender, I think mas maganda yung Tarte Quickie Blending Sponge, just in my opinion, but we'll see then. So this is the closer look on my left and my right face. So this is the finished look that I made for this afternoon, and I'll be working for 6 hours, and we'll see if which one amongst the two of the foundation that we tested this afternoon is better than the other. Again, I used Tarte Rainforest of the Sea in this side, and then Too Faced Born This Way foundation on my right. And sana maging okay. So welcome back, and welcome back. Okay, so after 6 hours, this is the makeup, the result of what I did earlier. I tried testing the difference between the two foundations, whichever is the winner. So basically, I'm just testing which foundation is better, and I tested the Too Faced Born This Way foundation, which is on my right face, and then the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea, which is on my left face. So let's see kung ano mas maganda. I could not really see the difference, only that on my right side or my right face, the shade that I used is kind of like darker because it was a natural beige. The one that I used on my left side is the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea light neutral shade, and I think that one is much better for me. In terms of formulation, wala akong masabi with the both of them because hindi siya cakey. Only that, siguro ito, like, see my eyeliner, nag-smudge siya obviously. Siguro after kong matouch yung face ko unconsciously. But I could see na meron akong konting cakey manifestation ng foundation dito. Siguro dahil sa yung formulation niya hindi nag-blend dun sa oil ng face ko. Kasi yung face ko, yung skin ko is combination of normal to dry skin and may ibang oily part, especially dito sa nose area. Yeah, yun lang. Medyo nag-oxidize lang yung part nitong sa Born This Way. So, parang hindi na siya pantay. Ewan ko kung napapansin nyo yun. So, yeah. Siguro, I would recommend, if I'm going to choose between the two, I would recommend using the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea foundation. The only thing siguro that made me decide na yung Tarte Rainforest of the Sea ang mas pipiliin ko between the two is that nagkamali ako ng shade na napili. But I have been using the Born This Way foundation for a month already and I am really loving the formulation na isang pump lang. You can see na meron na siyang enough foundation to cover. Ang problem ko lang sa Tarte Rainforest of the Sea foundation is yung applicator kasi yung form niya is parang i-open mo muna yung bottle then i-drop mo pa siya. Unlike sa Born This Way foundation, you just have to pump it and madali lang gamitin. So, yeah. That's my opinion. So, I love both of them. Knowing that this is my first time to use the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea foundation and na-impress ako sa kanyang formulation. Tarte is a very good product. I have been using their Tarte Shape Tape Concealer for 2 months already and I'm so satisfied. So that's why hindi na rin ako na-surprise when I used the Tarte foundation as well. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching and I hope to see you guys again for some other reviews that I will be putting up in this channel. And that's it. Bye!